Hey guys, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to source products on Target.com to sell on your Amazon FBA stores, right? But before I start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group where I do my free weekly calls, and also it's a great place for beginners like you to network with other sellers. So yeah, how to source on Target.com for your FBA business. So first, you start with going to Target.com, right? And then there's many products out here, so I would literally just go to the first page and I would start with products that you're familiar with. So, I mean, these ones I'm pretty familiar with, and they're also popular in social media apparently. So these might be a good products to start with. So I would pick this one right here, and then what I would do is I would look for this exact same product. So copy the title, and it starts your product on Amazon. And then I would see if I can find the exact same product and sell this product for a profit. So I think I found it, but the problem is this one is selling at $10, which is the same price as Target. But we can run the numbers though. So $10, right? $10. Yeah, this one's going to be negative ROI, obviously. So this one is not a good product to sell on Amazon. So I will just keep it going because it takes time, right, to find one product. So if you guys are not, if your search is not really hitting, I would move on to the next product right away because it's very time consuming to find one product. So this one looks like it's this one, but the problem is this one's $8. This one's also $8, right? So same product, but the numbers don't make sense. So we skip it right away. Let's see. Here, let's try this one. See if we can find it. Amazon. Let's see. Okay, so this one is a 2.02 fluid ounce perfume. I think this is the one. Okay. So this one is saying this brand on this listing is generic. So Amazon has a very strict guidelines about generic listings. So if you guys see this, I would avoid it. But let's see. It's very interesting. $29.99 is the cost. Yeah, this one's not going to work anyway. So okay, skip it. On to the next one. Let's see. So these didn't really work out. So I would pick another category. So this one I would try here, or maybe under deals and then top deals, just because I like getting discounts, right? Let me do grocery, and then under grocery, let's try. Let's see. Let's try coffee, just because I've sold coffee in the past. Okay, so let's try this one. So there's another. Hold on a second. So there's a deal for this item. Here is it. Where is the deal? Well, I don't see the deal, but okay. So now we find this product on Amazon. $6.29 on Target. So 12-ounce pack of one, 12-ounce pack of one, ground light roast. Okay, I'm not seeing it. Ground light roast. Yeah, I'm not seeing any of it. So let's move on to the next one. This one I've sold in the past too. So we'll try it. Original donut shop. See if we can find it. Okay, let's see. So this one is 24 K-Cup pods. This one's 100. 24. Okay. Regular, medium roast. Medium roast, okay. This could be the one. Let's compare. So 24 pods, regular, okay. $15.99 is the $15.99 is the cost. Sale price on Amazon is 22. So it's negative, unfortunately. Let's see. Okay, keep it going. Let's see. Try this one. Close these. So Folgers, medium roast, ground coffee. What happened? Do it again. Folgers, medium roast, ground coffee. This is the one. Classic roast. Okay. Oh, house blend. It says house blend. So no, it's not that. Classic roast. Pack of 6. Interesting. Okay. So classic roast. Classic roast. Pack of 6. I don't think it's gonna match. I think it's the same product. Medium. No, it's not the same one. Makes up to 240. 6 fluid ounces. This one makes up to 315. So no, not the same ones. So, but I hope you guys got the point right of the video. So this is how you guys look for products on Target. So just on Amazon. So you start with Target.com. You look for products on Target.com, and then you guys do a reverse search right on Amazon.com. Look for the exact same product. Run the numbers, and if the numbers make sense, you buy it for its store. And I hope you guys got value from the video. And again, if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, I'll put the link in my description below, and that way you guys can join my weekly calls on Amazon and also network with other sellers. So with that said, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye-bye.